Hi, it's Jonathan from Buildawebs. In today's video we're seeing how you can add shipping in Woocommerce. We'll first of all set up some shipping zones, then we'll set up shipping methods including free shipping, local pickup and different flat rates that you can use. Please follow along. So first of all you want to go into WordPress and you want to make sure that you've installed Woocommerce. You can do that by going to plugins, clicking on add new, searching for Woocommerce and installing and activating it. Once it's active, you'll see it there and you can go to settings. You'll then want to go to the shipping tab and then you'll want to add a shipping zone. So to add a shipping zone, you just click on add shipping zone and we're going to create zones in America. So the first one is just going to be called local. And then we're going to choose United States from here. And we're going to limit it to specific zip codes, postal codes in Manhattan. So you just separate it with these three dots and it'll look between this range, between zip code 10,001 and 10,009. You could also just separate it by a comma if you want to do them individually. Then you click on Save Changes, and then we'll just go back to the shipping zones. We'll add another shipping zone, and we'll call this Domestic, where we ship to the whole of the United States. And again, we'll just choose United States from here. We're not going to limit this on any zip codes, and we're just going to hit Save Changes. So then you'll see that we've got two different shipping zones. Here it shows a description of basically what shipping zones are, but they allow you to group different shipping methods together. And as it says here, Woocommerce will match a customer to a single zone using their shipping address and present the shipping methods within that zone, so it'll only match to one. So behind the scenes we basically go into the shipping zone by clicking here and we can create the shipping methods. So as you'll have seen down at the bottom here, there's a add shipping method, and the first one we're going to create is free shipping. So as it sounds, it's just shipping the goods out for free. You can then click into it and you can change the name of it if you want, and you can also add conditions of these here. So you could say, for example, there's a minimum order amount. Just for simplicity in the tutorial, we're not going to do those. And then you can add another one, so another one, local pickup, so pick up from the store. It gives you a description of them here, basically what they are. And then we'll just click on the local pickup. And you can change the description. You could say pick up in store, change it to non-taxable, and then we'll just click Save the Changes. So let's go to the web store and view it. So we'll click on this product and we'll click on Add to Cart. We'll view the cart. And because I've already put an order in before, it's remembered the details. So you can see there that free shipping and local pickup is available. If for whatever reason you wanted to reorder them, you can go into here, change that. So local pickup at the top, free shipping there. Just refresh. You'll see that that becomes the top option. So whatever is at the top, you can basically decide which one. So we'll just say, we'll just keep it like that. If we wanted to add, for example, flat rate into here, so you charge a fee for shipping, and you say, for example, $10, just click Save Changes, and then we refresh. If the local pickup and free shipping were active, you don't really want to offer the option of flat rate shipping, because obviously they would just choose free shipping or they would choose local pickup. So one thing you can do is when you go back over to the store, you can choose to disable flat rate whenever free shipping or local pickup is enabled. So you can do that by going to the plugins, then clicking on add new. So I'll just open this up. Open this up. And then you basically just want to search for this. Then what you can do is you can install it and you can activate it. And what you'll find when you go in Woocommerce and then you go to settings and you go to shipping and then you go to shipping options, you'll obviously see these settings by default, but it allows you to extend the functionality of Woocommerce where you can say hide all other shipping methods and only show free shipping, or you can say hide all other shipping methods and only show free shipping and local pickup. So if we click save changes to that one, we go back over at the store and we refresh, you'll see that you've got free shipping and local pickup. I'll now show you how you can add different flat rates in. So we'll head back over at the store, we'll go to the shipping section here, so you can click on Woocommerce, then settings, then shipping. And then we'll go into the domestic section and we're basically only going to add different flat rates in here. So you can do that again by clicking on add shipping method and then choose just the flat rate here, click add shipping method and then click into it. Then you can change the name, you can choose whether it's taxable, and then you can add different costs in. So for the first one, we're just going to choose a $10 flat fee, so that's quite a simple one. You'll just put 10 in there, and then click Save Changes. And then when you go over to the store, we just refresh. We'll change the address from between 10,001 to 10,009. So if we just put 10,010, for example, we'll see that only the flat rate shipping is enabled. And if, for example, they picked a different country or something, so say, for example, picked United Kingdom, picked update, see that it's not valid. I'll show you how you can change that later on the tutorial, so please stick around. So then we'll look at the next flat fee option. So if we go back over here and we go on here, we're going to take this here. So these are all in the description of the video, so please check it out, but they're also in the blog article that I'm going to put in there. So then this is just a percentage of the total of the cart. So we'll just head into here, click on the flat rate, and we're just going to paste it in here. We'll click Save Changes, and then we'll just refresh this. Just put, so that's okay as it is. So as you can see there, it's taking the $50 and it's putting a 10% fee on to find $5. If, for example, we up the cart to 2, you've got $100 times 10%, which, as you can see on here, and it charges $10. So let's look at the next option. So the next option is a $10 flat fee plus 10% of the cart. So we'll just copy this. Again, these are all in the description of the video. So we can click on flat rate here and we'll just paste this in here and click Save Changes. And then when you head over to the cart, just refresh, just put this back down to 1 for simplicity, you'll see that there's a $50 cart fee, and it's adding $10 flat fee, and it's taking 10% to $50, adding them together, and you're getting a $15 shipping charge. So we'll cover the next one. So the next one we're going to do is quantity times $5. So it's the quantity of items multiplied by the price. So we'll just copy this. Again, it's in the description of the video. Click on flat rate here. We're just going to paste it in here. Click Save Changes. Head over to here. Just refresh. As you can see there, it's took the one cart item and times it by $5 to give you a flat rate of $5. If we up this to 2, for example, you should see it go to $10. The number in the cart times $5 give you $10 shipping. And then we'll head back over and we'll cover the last one, which is a $10 flat fee plus the quantity times $5. So we'll just head into WordPress, click on the flat rate again, and we'll just paste this over here and click Save Changes. So then we'll head into the store, and we'll refresh. Just put this down to 1. And you'll see that it's taken $10 flat fee plus the quantity times the price. We've got 1 in the cart, and we were charging on here $5 per each one. So then, for example, if we upped it to 2, we clicked on Update the Cart, we'll see that it takes the $10 fee, and it takes 2 items in the cart and times it by $5, as shown in there. Again, all of these fees are in the description of the video, and you can tweak and alter them. And there's loads and loads of different combinations that you can try. So I'll now show you one last thing. So if I just head back into the website and click on shipping zones. What you can do is you can choose this option here, locations not covered by other zones. So you can click on it and you can add shipping methods into there. So you could say it was a flat rate, and you could choose how much the rate was, for example, $100. And what's not covered in these shipping zones, it'll do that. But what you could also do is head into the general settings, click on general, and you could go selling locations, and you could say sell to specific countries. So if you only wanted to sell to the United States, for example, and then you only ship to the countries that you sell to, you'll only sell to the United States, and then you just click Save Changes. But you can have a play about with this section, and you could sell to all countries except for such and such, or you could sell to all countries, but please feel free to have a play about with it in the general settings. And again, in the shipping section, you can make changes to the shipping options and have a play about with those. But if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and please subscribe for future videos. In the description of the video, you'll see that there's links for the best hosting and the cheapest place to buy a domain name. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.